this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about our knit club project for this month. It's called Felix the Helix hat, and you get to learn a new technique this month, and it is doing the Helix stripe. And what that gives you is you're knitting in an actual spiral. So you cast on, if you look right here where it begins, if you have 3 different colors, you would cast on 1/3 of your stitches in one color, 1/3 of your stitches in the other color, and then the last third in the third color. And then what you get as you're knitting along, you get these spirals. So you know how when you do normal knitting and you're doing stripes, you get a jog, like a half of a row. It's kind of a ugly join. Well, with this hat, if you look very closely at all the different sides, there's no jog. It's perfectly seamless. The only thing that you'll see is right here from where you began the very first sequence, but other than that, there's nothing. And so it's a totally cool technique to learn, and I'm really excited for you to enjoy this. So also in our kit, we had these 3 skeins of L'Amour, and it's by Haiku. It's 100% baby llama, and it is a wonderful yarn that is made in Peru by Skacel, and it is so completely soft. So when you finish your hat, you'll have a super warm and super soft hat. Now in your packet, we have also included some Nana Bees. It's cuticle salve, and it is really good for hangnails. So if you have a problem with hangnails, this cuticle salve is perfect for your skin. So give that a try. And it's also made locally, and it's made with a combination of natural and organic oils that have been infused with herbs. It's a beeswax base, and it'll seal in the benefits of the oils that have been added to the actual product. So I hope you enjoy it, and you guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and look on our videos that we're going to be providing for you for this project, and I hope you have a great time knitting this hat.